never rob myself. I will never rob myself. If I'm not comfortable with anything, I will come here and tell you I'm not comfortable. And what my WhatsApp number is not for you to tell me you have an issue when you are not supporting my business. My WhatsApp number is for business. If you're not buying my soap, while you have a soap from Protect, from Lux, from everywhere, stay away from my WhatsApp. You want a white man? I share every day the skills and where to go and how to dress if you want a white man. Because you are guys, and most of you are always having less clothes. Rich people don't want people who looks like they are desperate. Money fills another money. And you must correct my English. I don't give a fuck. Money.
Welcome to SNS Kisan apho sidangela abantu singebuzwanga. Ulapha nje uthanazana naqala. Hayi sana ndibucaphukisile uNonsie. Yho. Sana doyika noba ndifake yonke le clip because sana yho yathukisa nothukisa. Apparently one of her followers or andiyazi acquaintance londa yiyo inboxile and wacela i-donation. And uNonsie xa ejonga sana wabona uba kuqala lo mntu zange wansapota and usebenzisa inumber le yam yebhizinesi kaWhatsApp wandiwhatsappela for ucela ii-donations. So ke sana qomba uNonsie sana no man mandimphendule esidlangalaleni. Akasabangxolisi sana ubangxolisela nabantu ba akho nto nifuna uyenza nenzi ngathi la madoda amhlophe aniwafuni kanti niwafuna nindibambe emacaleni. At that time aninxibi sana uNonsie. Ndamgqibela nini kwa ukumbona sana but sana ubaxelela shem ezindlebeni like hayi ucaphukile ugirl ucaphukile sana lam. Yho hayi namjonga eSouth Africa yi-weekend yabantu abacaphukileyo. And I also want you guys to have a look at Cyan. Apparently these podcasters have been talking whatever nonsense that they feel babangathetha ngaye and babhizi indlela anxiba ngayo ibhegi yakhe. Apparently also the twins also were on a podcast, which is one of the twins ube ngu-MC wakhe. So actually the other one, the one that used to be an MC, naye uyatsho ukuthi yena he never really had a problem with Cyan. They were good. She's her dog, his dog. Ne? His dog. So but i-fallout yabo ibe only on payments because he felt like based on umsebenzi awenzayo he's not getting paid enough, which is fair. And then when he then wanted to have a conversation with her or had a conversation with her, she couldn't take it well. Yabo. So hence now they're going around talking about how they feel about it. But kasana nizamva uSayen ebaphendula oh like kushushu esawuta kushushu qho.
I have to sound like I'm crying on podcasts or anything. And it's not
No,
like
we just
no,
we
Ted,
just
Have a
fucked
conversation.
up.
It's a safe space.
I just felt like I felt very safe with her. I won't lie. I won't even fault her in any way. She made sure that Jambono will speak for himself.
Yeah, 100%.
But personally, from now, she always made sure I was safe. She always made sure I was taken care of. She always made sure I had food. She always made sure I've got an outfit for that day, whatever. But for me now, where it didn't match was when now we're...
Have you ever just been a twin? Okay, firstly, I drive a V-Class, guys. If you get into my car and you have smelly feet, that's boundaries. I don't like that hygiene. Don't lie about money. Don't bring a bag in the picture. And don't have expectations because I'm buying Gucci. This is my money. This is my job. I'm going to give you whatever you deserve for that weekend. You have the whole week. I get, why is City Park during the week? Why is there something up during the week? Like, I'm so confused. Why are you depending on me and me only just because your parents abandoned you? Don't do that. Don't do that. Because now let's never know every week for being an MC. Or expect them to hygiene everything. Or expect the everything. Or expect the jealous, you hold on everything. These bitches even had the nerve to sometimes call me out, at Christmas, sit down with me and tell me, hey, can we have Christmas clothes? I'm not your mother. Oh my gosh. I wanna vomit. I'm not your motherfucking mother. And if you're so good with MCing and you feel like you deserve better, why don't you get another artist? Huh? There's so many artists that need MCs. Oh yeah, honey. Why don't you get something for yourself? Why are you just complaining about Cyan and talking about Cyan? Let's not talk about how you guys always wanted money from every person I met who was either a promoter or an owner of an establishment. And then it'll come to me to inform me. Or even if I'm fucking a nigga like a random guy I just met and we're just chilling, whatever. On the side, you guys would ask them for money. How desperate can you guys be, man? How desperate can you guys be? But and immediately when you left my life, things got so much better because I met people that respect themselves enough to respect me. Because if you can't respect yourself, there's no way you can respect me. You guys were always coming to get drunk, always drinking that label, whatever the fuck it is, and bringing it in my own estates. My estate is not even familiar with such bottles, but you guys came with them. And you would always just be drunk before work. And every time we go to Border Gates, sometimes to happy because you were drinking from a random tavern. Okay? So don't fucking fuck with me. Don't fucking play with me. So it's not because you know what I paid them off. You stupid ass hoes.
13 to 15K per gig, and I have her manager's number. And I have her manager's number, and but she can. I think she learned how to like literally. And Cyan is always and she can have her manager will literally book gig 1 out of 6 for Saturday. Do the math. Gig 1 out of 6 Saturday, and then and that's just her fee locally. That's not her fee.
Okay, cool. I just woke up, and you know what? I'm so fed up. I've been very quiet. This is my prime time. I'm so busy, fully booked. But what about her? I said DJ, I need a gig. But anyways, none of my business. So she was speaking about my BBL. She was speaking about my age. She was speaking about why people call me Stacey Cyan, and now she's talking about my bag. So she knows about my bag. She knows my pockets. Ooh, child, you're really a fan, hey? Okay, cool. So, but anyways, I'm glad that her parents taught her to not call anyone Stacey just because they're not from their family. She says that she strictly calls anyone Stacey if they're from the family. But when they give you love and light, so you don't have to be speaking about people when you grow up. And then another thing is, she's talking about my BBL so bad. Like, she's just like, oh my gosh, why is she doing it at this age, whatever. And at your age, you have bending walls on all your pictures, bitch. So you clearly want to be me, you little bitch. Why you guys want to really fight me? Because I can. You know what I can do with her? I can actually book her for 2K, 3K, 2K, fake an establishment and give her an address and say, hey, come through. And I could beat her for that amount. I could actually beat her the fuck up for that amount. And this is not a threat. Don't worry, I won't do it. I have my nails done. I just got them done. Don't worry. But don't meet me. You will know why you have to call me Cyan. But anyways, the main reason why I decided to comment on this stupid ass is because, you know what, I have so many people talking about me and they're getting so comfortable in podcasts. Like, the other 2 people I went to address is the twins that I was working with. One was my MC, one was just a stupid ass nigga. He was just a twin. Like,